If you have experienced cough from time to time, or you may be experiencing after COVID-19 and hasn't you'd probably agree that they are always uncomfortable and often interfere with day-to-day life. Coughs play a role in clearing irritants and infections from the body, but persistent coughing can be annoying. A persistent or chronic cough is one that lasts more than 3 weeks and may be caused by lung disease, asthma, allergies, heart disease, bronchitis, acid reflux. Hi and welcome to my FinMedi. Today we will be talking about effective home remedies for cough. So let's begin. 12 best home remedies for both dry cough and wet cough. People use a range of natural remedies to try to treat a persistent cough. Try these common home remedies to get rid of cough. 1. Try this classic honey. Honey is an ancient home remedy for cough. According to one study, it can relieve coughs more effectively than OTC medications. The researchers reported that honey provided the most significant relief from coughing. Its antioxidants, antimicrobial and anti-inflammatory properties can help soothe a sore throat. To use honey to treat a cough, mix 2 teaspoons of honey in herbal tea or warm water. Drink it twice daily for an effective result. Second, turmeric. Due to its antiseptic properties, turmeric is used to treat viral infections such as cough and cold. Turmeric contains curcumin, a compound which may have anti-inflammatory, antiviral and antibacterial properties. It may be beneficial for several conditions, including a dry cough. Turmeric has been used to treat upper respiratory conditions, bronchitis and asthma in Ayurvedic medicine for centuries. Add 1/4 teaspoon of turmeric in a glass of warm milk and drink it before going to bed. Third, ginger. Ginger is the first home remedy that will come into our minds whenever we think about the cough. It's a superfood that can help to provide relief from several health ailments, including nausea, cold, flu and cough. It possesses antimicrobial and anti-inflammatory properties. It also helps boost immunity and relieve the accumulated mucus in the respiratory tract. Drinking warm ginger tea or having ginger juice with honey and black pepper powder is one of the most effective remedies to treat coughing. 4. Peppermint. Peppermint leaves contain a compound called menthol, which can help numb the throat knobs that become irritated by coughing. The menthol can also help to break down mucus and reduce congestions. You can add 3 to 5 leaves of peppermint to your tea and boil it for a few minutes before drinking. 5. Garlic. Garlic has been used for centuries as both a food ingredient and a medicine. Garlic contains compounds that have antiviral, antibacterial, and anti-inflammatory properties. Taking garlic regularly can also lower blood pressure and boost the immune system. Roast a clove of chopped garlic and have it with a spoon of honey before going to bed, or you can also add to your food. 6. Salt water gargles. This simple remedy is one of the most effective for treating a sore throat and wet cough. Salt water reduces the inflammation of the throat and the bouts of cough. Gargling with warm salt water will help ease the discomfort and irritation caused by dry cough. Salt water also helps kill bacteria in the mouth and throat. Dissolve 1 teaspoon of table salt in a large glass of warm water, then gargle it for 30 seconds, several times a day for better results. 7. Warm drinks. More than 70% of the human body consists of water, which is why it's always important to stay hydrated. Staying warm and hydrated is vital for those with a cold and cough. Whenever you drink hot water, it may relieve your symptoms immediately. 8. Steam. One of the simplest remedies to ease coughing is taking steam. The warm air adds moisture to the air and may also help ease coughing and congestion due to a cold. A wet cough, which is one that produces mucus or phlegm, may improve with steam. Take a bowl of hot water and add essential oils such as rosemary. Lean over the bowl and place a towel over the head. Inhale the vapors for 5 minutes. 9. Bromelain. Pineapple contains an enzyme called bromelain, which is considered an effective remedy for cough. Several studies suggested that bromelain has anti-inflammatory properties and may also have mucolytic properties, which means that it can break down mucus and remove it from the body. Eat a slice of pineapple or drink 250 ml of fresh pineapple juice 2 times a day. Make sure your fruit and juice are not cold as they may increase the irritation. 10. Licorice root. Licorice root has been long been used in traditional medicine for a variety of conditions, including coughs, infections, and digestive problems. Sipping warm tea made from licorice root has also been touted as an effective remedy to reduce throat irritations. A study found that components in licorice could decrease cough frequency by between 30 and 78%. The study also found that licorice compounds may help loosen up mucus. Steep 1 teaspoon powdered root in 250 ml water and let it boil for 10 minutes. Pour it into a cup and drink it warm. 11. Marshmallow root. Marshmallow root is an ancient type of herb beneficial to treat dry cough. Marshmallow root appears to act as an enzyme to help loosen mucus and inhibit bacteria. According to a 2009 study in guinea pigs, marshmallow root has the ability to suppress coughs. Stir 1 tablespoon of marshmallow root into 1.5 cups of water. Cover and allow to steep for 6 to 8 hours. Strain before drinking. 12. Thyme tea. Thyme is an herb that's often used as spice during cooking. It also has antimicrobial activity and may be beneficial for treating coughs. The thyme leaves contain compounds called flavonoids that relax the throat muscles involved in coughing and lessen inflammation. Make thyme tea at home using 2 teaspoons of crushed thyme leaves and 1 cup of boiling water. Cover the cup, steep for 10 minutes and strain before drinking. So guys, this was all about home remedies for cough. I hope you liked the video. Thank you for watching. See you in the next one.